You're living abroad, earning well, and thinking about investing in Nigerian real estate. But let's be real. The fear of scams, hidden costs, and managing the process remotely might be holding you back. Right? Well, what if I told you there's a step-by-step system that allows you to buy land in Nigeria safely, stress-free, and without stepping on a plane? Stick with me because in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from researching the right land to finalizing the purchase, all from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Define your investment goal. Step 1 is understanding your why. Why do you want to invest in Nigerian real estate? Are you looking to resell the land for a quick profit? Do you want to build your dream home or rental property? Or are you thinking long-term, like land banking for future value appreciation? Your goal determines the location you choose. For example, if you're after quick returns, hotspots like Lekki or Abuja are great. But if you're focused on long-term growth, areas like Abuja, Lekki, or Ibadan are perfect. Step 2. Research and shortlist trusted developers or agents. The next step is researching reliable developers or agents. Not all that glitters is gold, and in Nigeria, you need to be cautious. Here's how you can spot trustworthy developers. 1. Look for companies with a solid track record and multiple completed projects. 2. Check online reviews and testimonials. Google reviews and platforms like Nigerian are your friends. 3. Ask for recommendations from family or friends in Nigeria. Red flags to watch out for include no physical office, vague promises, and developers who refuse to provide land documents upfront. Always do your due diligence. Step 3. Understand the documents you need. Now let's talk paperwork. These are the key documents you must request before making any payment. 1. The Certificate of Occupancy, C of O. This proves the land is legally owned. 2. The Survey Plan. This shows the exact location and boundaries of the land. 3. The Deed of Assignment. This transfers ownership to you. Always verify these documents with the land's registry in the state where the land is located. If you can't do this yourself, hire a qualified lawyer or a surveyor to handle it. Step 4. Remote verification process. Speaking of verification, how do you ensure the land exists and is legitimate without being in Nigeria? Here's the process. 1. Hire a trusted real estate lawyer or surveyor to physically inspect the land. 2. Request video inspections or drone footage from the developer. 3. Use tools like Google Earth to cross-check the location. Thanks to technology, you can see everything remotely before you commit. Step 5. Secure the deal. When you're ready to buy, make sure the payment process is secure. Here are some tips. 1. Always get a formal receipt and a contract of sale signed by both parties. 2. Never pay in cash or into a personal account. Only deal with corporate accounts. Step 6. Land documentation after purchase. After purchasing, the work isn't over yet. You need to finalize documentation to secure your ownership. This includes 1. Filing for a governor's consent if the land already have a C of O. 2. Registering your land with the state government to ensure it's legally recognized in your name. These steps are crucial for avoiding future disputes. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to buying land in Nigeria from abroad. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips like this. Don't forget to download my free checklist linked in the description to help you get started. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy investing